Depression affects more than 280 million people worldwide. At Unibest, we are proud to offer you the Vilazodone pipeline, an SSRI antidepressant with relatively fewer side effects than other antidepressants. We have successfully managed to cut down manufacturing costs and ensure the best quality. In addition to the intermediate C3, we also offer a wide range of other intermediates in the synthesis route that can be used in the production of Vilazodone generics according to your need. Our expert team has years of industry experience and is committed to providing you with the best possible products and services. We adhere to strict quality control and safety protocols to ensure that all of our products meet the highest industry standards with our internal QA system. Our satisfied customers speak to the effectiveness of our products, and we are committed to building lasting partnerships with all of our clients. Contact us today to learn how Unibest can help you with developing Vilazodone generics in your pharma business. Thank you for considering Unibest as your chemical product provider. United, we can be the best.